Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel, we discuss various ways you can earn money online. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a website called VIP Kid. So what is VIP Kid? It's a platform where you literally teach students English online and get paid for it. You don't need to pay anything to join. It's completely free to sign up. Plus, you can work from home or anywhere in the world. As you can see on the website, VIP Kid allows you to teach English online and earn $14 to $22 per hour, all from the comfort of your home. You can teach what you want, set your own schedule, and work on your own time. There are no minimum hour requirements, meaning you can work as much or as little as you want. If you have the capacity, you can even teach around the clock. There's no limit to how much you can earn on VIP Kid. Another great thing is that there's no lesson planning. VIP Kid provides the lesson plans with their best-in-class curriculum. You just focus on teaching. And when it comes to pay, they are very competitive. VIP Kid values its teachers and ensures they are fairly compensated. So if you put in the effort and work well, you will definitely get rewarded. About VIP Kid, it's a global leader in online English education and envisions a global classroom where all children feel connected to learning. Since 2014, it has been bridging the gap between teachers and students all around the world. That's how it works, guys. If you're looking for a flexible, reliable way to earn money online by teaching, VIP Kid is definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.